Hello guys, maaga na tanghali ka natong tanan. Guess what guys, kung ano ang niloto ko ngayon. Shrimp. It's a seashells. Seashells adobo. Bumili ko kanina early morning sa fish bowl. Yan siya guys. Spicy sweet adobo seashells. Yummy yummy. And guess what? Kung ano ang aking partner is shrimp. It's a corn, fresh corn from the farm. Yan guys, so pagkaong pinabripiro ka lang mo. Kayo guys, ano po pagkain nyo? All of you para sa inyong panghalian today. I hope you like my video guys. Happy Friday ka natong tanan. Bye bye guys. Have a lunch everyone.